In this video, I'll show you how to send money from Wise to Remitly. Step 1. Create Wise and Remitly accounts. Ensure you have active accounts on Wise and Remitly platforms. I'll leave a link to them in the description down below. Step 2. Log into Wise. Open the Wise app or website and sign in with your account credentials. Step 3. Initiate transfer on Wise. Click Send Money and choose the amount and currency. Step 4. Add Remitly's bank account as recipient. Input the bank details provided by Remitly for receiving transfers. Step 5. Review and confirm transfer details. Verify the fees, exchange rate, recipient details, and estimated delivery time before confirming. Step 6. Fund the transfer. Choose how to fund your transfer and complete the payment. Step 7. You can track your transfer status. Use Wise and Remitly apps to track your progress of your transfer and notify recipients. Now I have some tips for Wise to Remitly transfers. Always double check the recipient details to avoid any errors. Understand Remitly's delivery options: bank deposit, cash pickup, or mobile wallet. Compare fees and speed options for optimal transfer choice. And that's how you send money from your Wise to Remitly. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments.